Now today we're going to see how to keep our mind strong and under God's control so we can have peace. 1 Peter 1:13, turn to it please, declares this. 1 Peter 1:13 please. Fred, go ahead.
Wherefore, gird up the loins of your mind, be sober, and hope to the end for the grace that is to be brought unto you at the revelation of Jesus Christ.
Oh, that's marvelous. One more time, Fred, read this because many of them just got there.
Wherefore, gird up the loins of your mind.
Put a belt around your thoughts, in other words.
Be sober, and hope to the end for the grace that is to be brought unto you at the revelation of Jesus Christ.
Now, saints, here we read it's possible to have a loose mind, to have a mind that is not controlled, out of control, in other words. Because Peter said, gird, in other words, put a belt around the loins of your mind. You remember, I told you this 2 weeks ago, in those days they used to wear robes. And sometimes the robe would get in the way. And so in those days, they would put a belt around their waists to keep that garment all together so it don't get in the way and they'll trip and fall now. What Peter's saying is put that belt around your mind like they used to put that belt around their waist.